If you're thinking about buying AppMySite to build your app, there are a few things you need to know before making that decision. I'll walk you through 7 key points that could change the way you see this platform, and you'll want to stick around for the last one. Trust me, it's a game changer. Let's start with the first thing you need to consider. AppMySite is designed for speed and simplicity. Compared to its competitors like Buildfire and App Institute, it stands out for being incredibly user-friendly. With AppMySite, you can convert your WordPress site into a fully functioning mobile app without needing deep technical knowledge. Other platforms often have a steeper learning curve or require more manual work. AppMySite streamlines the process, making it perfect for business owners who need results quickly without getting lost in complicated setups. Next thing you need to know? Customization options are more limited compared to competitors like AppMySite or Buildfire. While AppMySite offers essential customization tools, it's not as flexible as some of the other platforms. If you're looking for a completely unique design that's far removed from basic templates, you might feel a bit restricted. But if you're running a small business or a website that doesn't need excessive customization, this limitation won't be a deal breaker. The third thing to note, it's WordPress-centric. If you're running a WordPress website, then AppMySite is a seamless choice. The integration between WordPress and AppMySite is smooth and effective, letting you create a mobile app with minimal effort. But if you're using other website platforms like Wix or Squarespace, you may find that this app builder isn't as intuitive, and you'll have to work harder to get everything aligned. Now let's talk about pricing. AppMySite offers very competitive pricing, especially for small businesses. Their pricing structure is fairly transparent and starts with a free plan, which allows you to try before you buy. For a business looking to create an app with minimal investment, this is a great option compared to other services like Buildfire, which can get pricey fast. However, the features on the free plan are very basic, so you'll likely need to upgrade for better functionality. The fifth thing you should keep in mind is, AppMySite does include e-commerce integration, but with some limitations. It works seamlessly with WooCommerce, making it a solid choice for online stores. However, if your store relies on advanced features that some competitors like Buildfire or AppMySite offer out of the box, you might find AppMySite lacking in flexibility. For smaller e-commerce shops, this won't be an issue, but if you run a larger, more complex operation, it's something to consider. Next, let's talk about support. AppMySite's customer support is known for being responsive and helpful. They provide live chat and email support, so you won't be left hanging when something goes wrong. However, keep in mind that the response time can vary depending on the complexity of the issue. Other competitors like AppMySite offer similar levels of support but might have more extensive help resources like live webinars or training. Finally, and this is huge, AppMySite's app publishing process is a major selling point. Unlike some of the more complex app builders, AppMySite makes the process of publishing your app to Google Play and the App Store relatively simple. Competitors often have more rigid rules or hidden fees, but AppMySite keeps everything straightforward. This makes it ideal for first-time app builders who want to get their app live without too much hassle. So, if you want to try out AppMySite for yourself and see if it's the right fit for your business, be sure to click the first link in the description. You'll get access to the best free trial and some exclusive benefits that can help you get started.